What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to join two different objects together with textures. So you can see here we have speakers and speaker box. Speaker box isn't shown. So we're going to go to where I have my textures, click that, and click open. Now if we go to join these two, you're going to want to click there and then UV maps, and you can see there's two of them there. The first one highlighted is the correct one. Now the speaker one is named different on the UV map, and you're going to see what happens when I try to join. So we're going to click both, and if they're not clicking there, we're going to go over here to the list and hold shift and then left click, and you're going to right click, click join, and you see the speakers disappeared. So let's undo that. First thing we're going to want to do is click on the box itself, and we're going to delete this UV map because it's not the one that shows the texture. We're going to click the speakers next. You can see the name of the UV map is different, so we're going to click the plus sign, we're going to right click or left click and then delete that, and we're going to name it the same as the speaker box. You're going to go ahead, hit enter, and then we're going to delete this one. Now we're going to repeat that step, and we're going to right click and join. Now you can see the speakers are not going away.